This is a traditional dance that we do at weddings and at celebrations. I think it's important for each country to hold on to their original culture and history. So we got to see really a lot of acts. This is the first time that we interact with something like this, and it's amazing. Like your jaw just drops when you see.
It's an opportunity to connect our university with the students of your university. This cooperation can be very fruitful and very successful because we match. It can be very, very useful and beautiful if we manage to do something together.